Hi, everyone. Just want to say congratulations to all of you on getting through your first couple of days of this course. I know online courses, for some of you, this is your first, and they can be very overwhelming. And then to add into that we are fitting all of this entire course into 1 month, the pace goes pretty quick. So I've tried to make things as easy as possible for you so that you don't miss out on anything. I know that's what some of your concerns are, that you're going to miss something that has to be handed in. So a couple things I just wanted to go through. I made a list of a few questions that kept coming up. Things that need to be handed in. So I'm posting these little snips of my breakdowns each day so that it's right here in the news. This side of each chart tells you exactly what has to be handed in on that day. Somebody asked if, I know the Dropbox, I think timelines say by midnight or 11:30. Technically speaking, I don't need it to be in the hand-in box or Dropbox until I wake up that next day and I start marking them. I try to mark things the next day, but by the time I get to them, I won't consider that late if I haven't graded them all. So once I sit down and I grade the entire class that next day, then after that is when you might end up with some late deductions. Okay. I do try to be lenient and understanding if you are working on something and I can tell that you've been working on it all day and you just have a few last minute questions and you email me and I don't get back to you right away. I'm okay if you hand it in that next day after I've gotten back to you. Okay. It's when it's 2, 3, 4 days later that you're going to end up with late marks. Okay. So breakdowns, I know I posted this after some of you started working today or yesterday, and that is the breakdown for the entire course. And I've got it in 2 different locations here. One, a month at a glance. It tells you each day what's going to be handed in, when your unit tests are, and when your final exams are. A lot of questions about the tests and final exam. I don't know how other boards do it, but our board does not require that you have a proctor, somebody watching over you while you write those tests and exams. However, I will say that they are timed, and that's just because you don't have somebody watching you, and it's just to try and prevent cheating. So all of your unit tests and your final exam are timed. Unit tests are flexible in terms of when you write them on that day, but the final exam, we have to set everybody writes at the same time. Okay, what else? Oh, a lot of you are taking this course because you have applied to a university program to start in September. So this only applies to people who are starting university in like 2 months from now. Some of you need these course grades sent to your universities. Please just stay tuned in my news items each day. I will be posting a link where you are going to provide me with the information that you need, and then we send all of that information out at the end of the course. Okay. I think that's all I wanted to go through with you guys today. Great job again so far. Today's the last day of new material for this week. Remember, weekends can be treated like sort of a catch-up time for you guys and or to work ahead. So if you guys are finishing things, just remember the next module will open up for you and you can work ahead if you want to. So try to use this month at a glance here. If you know you've got something coming up, some of you have let me know that you're going to be away certain days. Just try to plan now that you know what the entire month looks like. Just know that you can work ahead. Okay? Have a great weekend. Bye.